Tired of scrubbing floors forever and still battling stubborn stains? What if I told you there's a way to deep clean without chemicals and save time? Today, I'm reviewing the top 10 steam mops available on the current market, from Shark's powerful steam blaster to Bissell's pet-friendly. Which one removes 99.9% of germs? So, let's find out. And stick around because one of these might just make your life way easier. Number 1. Shark S2001 Steam Mop. The Shark S2001 Steam Mop features steam blaster technology, delivering up to 50% better stain removal on stuck-on messes compared to traditional steam mops. It sanitizes floors without chemicals, eliminating 99.9% of common household bacteria using only water, and offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, deep, for easy cleaning. Lightweight at under 5 pounds, it includes an extra-large removable water tank, swivel steering for maneuverability, and 2 machine-washable pads for use on sealed hard floors like hardwood, tile, and vinyl. Key features: targets stubborn stains with bursts of concentrated steam, adjustable settings for light, everyday, or deep cleaning, removes 99.9% of bacteria using water alone, reduces refill interruptions during cleaning, under 5 pounds with swivel steering for tight spaces. Number 2. Bissell 1940A Steam Mop. The Bissell 1940A Steam Mop cleans and sanitizes sealed hard floors without chemicals, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria using steam. Its SmartSet digital steam control offers high, medium, or low steam settings, while the flip-down scrubber tackles tough messes. Lightweight with swivel steering, a 23-foot cord, and 30-second heat-up, it includes microfiber pads, fragrance discs, and a carpet glider for versatile cleaning. Key features: adjustable high or medium or low steam, for sticky or grimy messes, chemical-free sanitization, ready to use quickly within 30 seconds, maneuverable for large spaces, soft pad, scrub pad, fragrance discs, carpet glider. Number 3. PurSteam Therma Pro 211 Steam Mop. The PurSteam Therma Pro 211 is a 10-in-1 versatile steam mop offering chemical-free cleaning with heated steam, ideal for homes with kids and pets. It heats in 30 seconds for quick use on floors, carpets, or grout, and converts to a handheld steamer for clothes, upholstery, and tight spaces. Lightweight with a swivel head, it includes multiple attachments like brushes, a scraper, carpet glider, and microfiber cloths, plus a collapsible handle for compact storage. Key features: floor mop, handheld steamer, grout cleaner, and more. Ready for use quickly. Detachable for clothes, upholstery, and drapes. Maneuvers around furniture and tight spaces. Includes brushes, scraper, carpet glider, and nozzles. Number 4. GorFanty GF-6610 Steam Mop. The GorFanty GF-6610 Steam Mop cleans all sealed floors and carpets with high-temperature steam, eliminating 99.9% of stains and bacteria using only water, ideal for homes with kids or pets. It converts into a handheld steamer with 10 accessories for versatile cleaning of grout, windows, furniture, and more, and heats up in 20 seconds with 3 adjustable steam levels. Key features: includes brushes, nozzles, and tools for whole home cleaning. 3 steam levels for daily, deep, or stubborn messes. Chemical-free sanitization safe for floors and fabrics. 120-degree rotation for under furniture and tight spaces. Ergonomic design for users of all heights. Covers large areas without unplugging. Number 5. FEPPO FP Mop FU01 Steam Mop. The FEPPO FP Mop FU01 combines a steam mop and handheld cleaner, delivering 230 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam in 10 seconds for chemical-free deep cleaning on floors, grout, and household surfaces. Its 10-in-1 attachments, brushes, scrapers, and squeegees, tackle windows, upholstery, and tough stains, while the 370-milliliter tank and 16.4-foot cord ensure extended coverage. Key features: converts from floor mop to handheld steamer instantly, 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam for fast, powerful cleaning, Includes brushes, squeegee, and ironing cloth for multi-surface use. 25-minute runtime with wide reach. Uses only water to sanitize and remove stains. Aluminum piping for longevity. Number 6. Schenley SLFCSM054 Steam Mop. The Schenley SLFCSM054 Steam Mop doubles as a handheld cleaner, generating 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam in 10 seconds for chemical-free deep cleaning on floors, grout, and surfaces like kitchens or vehicles. Its 10-in-1 attachments, including brushes, a squeegee, and ironing cloth, tackle diverse tasks from window cleaning to garment steaming. With a 370 milliliter tank, 16.4-foot cord, and durable aluminum build, it offers 25 minutes of continuous use for large spaces while remaining family and pet safe. Key features: instantly converts from floor mop to handheld steamer. 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam for quick, powerful stain removal. Multi-tools for windows, grout, clothing, and more. Extended runtime and reach for large areas. Uses only water to sanitize surfaces. Ensures longevity and reliability. Number 7. Mxnsewr MX-C021 Steam Mop. The Mxnsewr MX-C021 Steam Mop delivers 260 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam for chemical-free cleaning, removing 99.9% of stains on floors, carpets, and surfaces like glass or furniture. Its adjustable steam settings, 450 milliliter tank and 23-foot cord enable efficient whole-home cleaning, while the telescopic handle and 120-degree swivel head reach under furniture and tight corners. Includes 11 attachments for versatile use and self-stands with a cord wrap for easy storage. Key features: deep cleans without chemicals, safe for kids or pets, 45-minute runtime for large areas, multi-use for floors, clothing, glass, and grout, telescopic handle and 120-degree rotation for hard-to-reach spots, covers large spaces without unplugging, quick heat-up ready in 20 seconds. Number 8. BLACK+DECKER HSM13E1 Steam Mop. The BLACK+DECKER HSM13E1 Steam Mop cleans sealed floors like hardwood, tile, and laminate using chemical-free steam, heating up in 30 seconds for quick sanitization. Its swivel head maneuvers around furniture and tight spaces, while the microfiber pad glides smoothly for efficient scrubbing. The 12-foot cord ensures uninterrupted cleaning, and it includes a reusable pad for eco-friendly use. Key features: ready for use quickly, pivots for tight spaces and under furniture, uses steam to sanitize floors, unlimited runtime for large areas, safe on sealed hardwood, tile, stone, and laminate, machine washable for repeated use. Number 9. Bissell 1806C Steam Mop. The Bissell 1806C Steam Mop sanitizes floors without harsh chemicals, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria while supporting pet adoption through Bissell Pet Foundation. With high and low steam settings and a 30-second heat-up, it tackles messes using its onboard spot boost brush and leaves a spring breeze scent. The 25-foot cord and 12-inch cleaning path ensure efficient coverage, and it includes a measuring cup for easy water tank refills. Key features: adjustable for light or deep cleaning, chemical-free sanitization for sealed floors, removes tough, sticky messes, leaves a fresh aroma during cleaning, extended reach for large spaces. Purchases help save homeless pets. Number 10. Shark S8201 Steam Mop. The Shark S8201 Steam Mop uses powerful steam and rotating pads to remove stuck-on stains 3 times faster than traditional steam mops, with steam blaster technology for targeted cleaning on stubborn spots. It offers 3 steam modes and rotating pads that scrub 150 times per minute for effortless gliding across sealed hard floors like hardwood, tile, and laminate. LED headlights reveal hidden debris, while the intuitive body and handle controls simplify operation. Key features: targets tough stains with concentrated steam, 150 scrubs per minute for hands-free cleaning, adjustable for quick, everyday, or deep cleaning, illuminate hidden dirt and debris, easy access steam mode adjustments, safe for hardwood, tile, laminate, and more. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about picking one up, I've added the link in the description below with the latest pricing and deals. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more reviews. Got a question or your own experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.